Welcome to lesson 154. Identify exponential functions and their graphs. So let's see what we have here. All right, here's our objective. Okay, so here is our basic formula for an exponential function. Y equals a, some constant, times b, some base, to the x power, some exponent. And you may not always see an a and a b, but I'll point out how to point them out when we get to it. All right, so just going over some rules for rational exponents, because we will see some rational exponents, which means exponents as a fraction, how to put the square root on it and all of that. Okay, so here's four general shapes. And, A, B, if A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 1, what the graph is going to look like, and all of these different machinations. Okay, so this is Y. Let me pull out the pencil. Y equals 4 to the x power. This caret right here is on your TI-84s. This is how you raise something to a power, especially something that's not a square, that's not directly one of your keyboard keys. All right, so let's graph it. What's our A? So you're looking for A times B to the x power. You can have 2 times 2 to the x power or 1 times 4 to the x power. Anything like that if you want it in a different form. So I'm going to hit y equals, I'm going to clear. I'm going to hit 4 caret xt theta n, and then I'm going to graph it. So I hit y equals y equals 4 caret button, which is over the division sign, and I hit x, t, theta, and n. Then I hit graph. And what I got was most of your exponential functions will go through point 1 comma 0. Because anything raised to the 0 power is 1. And that's what your curve looks something like that. So example 2, y equals negative 4 to the x power, where your a is negative 1 and your b is 4 to the x power. And let's graph this one. And you're going through 0, negative 1. And this is what your graph is going to look like. Remember, when a is negative, your thing points down. Okay, so let's graph 1/4 to the x power. So not much to say about this number, unless you think of 1 times 1/4 or 1/2 times 1/2. So let's graph this one. And it's got to come through 1, 0. And this is what you get. Not perfect, but just a good guess. All right, negative 1/4 x. So as you can see on all of these, I graphed the same function. I just changed the a and the b. And it's going through 0, negative 1, and there you go. So that concludes this video. Practice the practice problems, as many problems as you can practice until you can recognize it. And I thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one, which is the last in this series.